If you know anything about being in an RV, or you're just learning like I am, space is at a premium here. And in addition to space being at a premium, you also have to consider water conservation. There isn't running water here because they shut it down for the winter. So every couple days they come out, they fill my freshwater tank, and that's good. But the water heater is a 6-gallon water heater. You run out of hot water in about 5 minutes or so. And so welcome to my bathroom, and let's get into today's upgrade. But after the little model number there's a model number. It says 2.5 gallons per minute. Now 2.5 gallons per minute, that's a lot of water coming out. You're just kind of wasting it, you know. The other thing with it being 2.5 gallons per minute is there's not a lot of water pressure. So let's take a look at the stock hose water flow. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's not great. So after some toiling on the interwebs, I found this multi-function handheld shower thing. It's got a button. The video that they showed on Amazon looked like it worked really well. Looked like it had great pressure. We're gonna find out if that's true or not. You know, I could have gone with one of the more expensive models. I don't know. I figured let's gamble on a less expensive one, and we'll see what happens. It's fairly straightforward. We don't need that. Oh, this is our mount. Okay. Here's the shower head itself, wrapped in some bubble wrap. Let's take a look at this. Well, certainly looks cheap, because it is cheap, but there's the button. So we'll see how well that works. Is the current shower head, even when you use the button. Oh, sorry, water on. All right, there's the button, and it drips all over the place. It's, you know, it doesn't fully shut off. So, anyways, we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this anyways. So hopefully this works better, and we'll find out. You're gonna find out with me. We're gonna do this together. So, step one is we got to get the old shower head out, and that's just as easy. All we're going to do here is we're going to unscrew it. We're going to unscrew it right here. Water out. And just like that, the old hose is done. Alright, and so now we'll just thread the new one on. Nice and tight. I actually really like this. I don't know if you can see, but these caps are threaded to keep it all nice. So well done to this Chinese company. Here, I'm going to put a little thread tape here. Now, one thing I want to also point out here is so this new shower head is only supposed to be 1.8 gallons per minute, down from the 2.5. So in theory, I should get a longer, hotter shower. Oh shit. I didn't run it through the thing, and it doesn't fit in the existing mount, so I will have to use the mount that came with it. There's not a lot of space in here. Not a lot of space, you know? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mount that's here, just screwed into the wall. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to put the new one in its place. The new one also takes 2 screws, so I'm going to use the exact same screw holes and then just silicone the hell out of it to seal it up. These screws weren't very tight. I wonder if they were even really doing much of anything at all. Wow. On the plus side, it wasn't wet on the back side, but I don't know what they used for a sealant, but it's really thin, and it wasn't doing a whole heck of a lot. So, you pay a lot of money for these new RVs, and you find out all the shoddy workmanship that goes into it once you start actually using it. So we're gonna throw that in the trash. We're gonna put the new one up. Now this new one actually has an adhesive backing on it, so I think I could probably get away with not using a lot of silicone, but we are going to use silicone because I don't want leaks. Let's take the backing off. Put the silicone on the sticky part. Just go right around the edge. Oh, stand by, stand by. There we go, found one hole. I'm gonna have to add some more caulking because there's a ridge that runs right here going behind the plate. I want to make sure that there's no way for water to get in that ridge. then potentially get to the screw and work its way into the wall. Come on. I missed the second hole clearly, making a new one. I'm just going to suck it down tight. There's enough silicone back there to seal it. But I did get the top hole, so I get to reuse that one. Alright, and we got some good silicone seeping out all around. Perfect. Get in there real good and seal that up. Alright, we're gonna click. Boy, this thing is difficult to move. Future Grouch here, and I realized while I was editing that the video clip of me testing the new shower head for some reason didn't record. So we're gonna record a new one, and I'll show you how much different the water pressure is and the flow rate of the new shower head. There's much more water pressure. You get the 3 different modes. And when you click the stop button, it does in fact stop all water flow. So that is a remarkable improvement over the factory shower head. Well, there, yep, I got the ceiling all wet. God damn it. Well, there you have it. The new shower head has got a lot more water pressure, as is evident by my wet ceiling. Now I gotta get this dry. I'll see you later. Well, so there you have it. There's the new shower head in the RV, and hopefully that makes a big difference. Well, anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that it's helped you or in some way, shape, or form, and maybe give you a better idea that you know, the cheap Chinese shower heads actually seem to do a pretty good job. So I'll catch you on the next one, and pretty sure that there's a video over there that you might like.